Bishop Kenneth Thabane Mkhize III Mount Zion. I'm standing here at Marian Hill Memorial Park. We are here just to lay a foundation. Sizobeka umlando. History is being made today. One thing we understand is that I'm not standing here just as a spiritual leader, but I'm also standing here as the chairperson of the board, Eboleti Group. Last corner, it's a project 5 years ago. And somebody would say, Aibo, it's spiritual and it's scriptural or biblical. Maufunda Genesis chapter 22 or 23, you'll find Abraham when ilahlekela unkosikazi wakhe uSarah waya kubantwana bakuleyo ndawo wathi kubona, please give me a piece of land that I may lay unkosikazi wami, to preserve in memory kankosikazi wakhe uSarah. And then lapho ke bathi kuyena Abraham, here is the land for free. What in no way I cannot lay my beloved one endaweni engazange ngikhokhele lutho. That is the first time we see biblical ukuthengwa umhlaba wokungcwaba. So esilana ke namhlanje kuzokwenzeka umlando kubangcwabi bebonke in KZN and also in South Africa ukuthi sibone this great giant ebizwa ngeCobeleti Group izovula le Memorial Park. I-Memorial Park ke isiza la ekutheni umaintaina i-legacy ne-history yomndeni nomndeni wakho, ngoba ungakhohlwa ukuthi a nation that does not record history does not have the future. Abantwana bethu kumele beze bezobuza batshele ukuthiwa la ulele usibanibani, who did this and that and that. So on behalf of umphakathi wonke neboard yecebo lethu sithi nje siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi after 5 solid years of inyembezi of umjuluko seze safika la, sizothi siyabonga Nkosi. Sithi ke icebo lethu kwangathi ngaqhubela phambili liqhubeke nokubasiza abantu. Once again, long live icebo lethu, long live. God bless you.